We thought hiking the Juliana Trail would be easy. We were so wrong. The Juliana Trail is a 270-kilometer trail around the Julian Alps in Slovenia. No big passes, just circling Mount Triglav. So we thought, simple enough. Mistake. The trail was tough. Steep climbs, brutal descents, slick stream crossings, and days of endless rain. And yet, breathtaking, wild rivers, deep gorges, quiet alpine towns, hilltop churches, thunderous waterfalls, iconic views. Hard? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. Would you take this on? Check out the full story.